Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Melissa and I help people navigate through their mental health journey. So before I jump into my mission, vision, and impact with this YouTube channel moving forward, I thought it was important to kind of just walk you guys through and give you guys kind of a little bit of a background information as to the story behind my path and what kind of led me to where I plan on taking my channel. So just a quick introduction, very brief, is I'm a holistic nutritionist and deeply passionate mental health advocate. My mental health journey truly began a couple of years ago when I was diagnosed with bipolar disorder. Since then, that moment kind of propelled me along a lifelong personal journey of self-discovery and healing, and along the way, and just trying to figure out how to manage my recovery with living with bipolar disorder. I went through a lot of trials and errors with trying to figure that out, and Western medicine kind of failed me in a lot of ways, and so it kind of forced me to look into other sorts of healing modalities. And so that's kind of how I stumbled into the world of holistic living. As I did that, I learned everything that there was to learn about how to maximize the state of my mental health through a holistic approach. I started learning about holistic nutrition with a whole foods plant-based diet and the impact it has on your health, particularly with your mental health. As I started to slowly embody everything that I've learned and personally seeing the health benefits itself, it completely changed the trajectory of my personal recovery, and it changed my perception about mental health and what it was all about. I learned that there was a lot more that can be done to maximize the state of your mental health. It made me realize that health and wellness goes beyond the absence of illness. It is actually a process of growth and change towards a mentally and physically healthy lifestyle from the ground up. And from that point on, I felt and believed that it is my purpose to step into the light in YouTube and share what I've learned along my personal mental health journey to inspire people to step back into the untapped power and potential within themselves to create everlasting transformational change. I'm actually on a mission of redefining the Western world's perception of mental health. And with the personal experience that I've had with the current model of our health industry today, it made me realize how important it is that it's time to shift into a new paradigm and rethink mental illness. And so my vision is to lay down the foundation for a more health conscious humanity and inspire new ways for the collective to nourish their own growth and well-being and empower themselves with tips and tools for self-care, healing, optimal health and wellness, and personal transformation. So if my message resonates with you, whether or not you are new along your mental health journey or have been struggling with it for a while and are looking for alternative forms of healing modalities, then I invite you to join me along my journey and this community that I am hoping to build as we all work together and support each other in taking the actions needed to reclaim our power. That being said, I will see you guys there. Thank you so much for watching.